very good evening to all our viewers. Welcome to Media Plus Shillong. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, had released the Pensioners Live Face Verification app on the 15th of July 2021 in the presence of government officials and officers of the National Informatics Centre. The application that was initiated by the NIC would enable beneficiaries to submit their life certificate without having to physically visit any office, but would have to do so from the comfort of their homes. The Pensioners Live Face Verification app has been designed by the National Informatics Centre in collaboration with the Finance Department, Government of Meghalaya, and is available in Google Play Store. For better service delivery, a chatbot called MEDA or MEDA has also been incorporated in the app to enable pensioners to send in their queries and clarify doubts, or maybe type in their suggestions for the improvement of the app. Speaking during the meeting, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, expressed his gratitude to the NIC for offering the particular technology to ease the job of pensioners and to allow access to such digital services to the people without them having to physically visit any kind of office. Conrad Sangma also spoke on the importance of digital identification and therefore stressed on the need to expand Aadhaar coverage in the state of Meghalaya.
So this is how technology has helped us and enabled us to literally transform the entire administration and governance. And today's example that we saw is something that is of great help. At the same time, of course, digital identity is one aspect that is also very important. So Aadhaar becomes very important. We have been trying to ensure that Aadhaar coverage also goes up in our state. So these aspects also will have to be looked into, because ultimately we will find that as we move forward in governance, that most of the services will be linked to Aadhaar and similar, or at least in our country, the digital identity will be linked to that.